Welcome to the deep dive. Our mission today? Well, it's simple. We're giving you, the procurement professional, a real shortcut to mastering modern excellence. We're drilling down into three critical winning strategies. We want to extract that immediate actionable intelligence you need right now.
And it's fascinating, isn't it, how competitiveness has sharpened. It's not just about the lowest bid anymore. Not at all.
Right.
The top teams, the ones really winning, they connect robust automation, they achieve genuine data integrity, and crucially, they build truly strategic supplier relationships.
Those are the three pillars we're hitting today.
Exactly. Automation, data, relationships.
So let's distill what good looks like, and maybe more importantly, those quick wins. Okay, strategy one, automation and data integrity. The big idea here seems to be workflow first, tool second.
Absolutely spot on. The classic mistake, we see it all the time, is maybe the CFO, maybe someone else, buys this huge, expensive platform before the teams have even mapped their actual processes.
Oh yeah, big pitfall.
Huge. You just end up automating bad habits, but faster. It's high-speed failure, basically.
That makes sense. Automating chaos just gives you faster chaos. So let's talk AI specifically. It's positioned as a co-pilot, not a replacement.
Right.
Where's the biggest immediate win? Is it drafting RFX sections, maybe? Or more on the data normalization side?
It's really both, but the efficiency gain is massive. Think about using AI to draft those initial RFX sections or, summarize those incredibly long supplier responses.
That saves hours, surely.
Dozens of hours. But maybe even more critically, its role in normalizing complex SKUs across all these different systems you might have.
The cleanup job.
That systematic scrubbing. It lays the groundwork for what we have to call the one-spend truth. You need that single source.
And transparency ties right into that. You push automation, but you have to remember that old saying, right? Garbage in, garbage out.
Just faster garbage with automation if you're not careful.
Exactly. So that one-spend truth needs real discipline. Classification, linking contracts, governed master data. You can't automate reliably if the source data is messy.
You just can't. But once you do have clean, reliable data flowing from strategy one, then you can shift perspective away from just cost cutting.
Which leads us perfectly into strategy two, total value and partnership.
This is the big strategic pivot. Moving beyond TCO, total cost of ownership.
Which everyone knows.
Right. To TVO, total value of ownership. And leveraging partnership, not just policing suppliers.
Okay, unpack TVO a bit more. It's not just price.
Not at all. TVO forces you to look way beyond the sticker price. You have to factor in the whole life cycle. Maintenance costs, disposal, yes, but also performance risks.
Like downtime, the cost of things not working.
Exactly. That can be huge. And increasingly important, the ESG value.
Environmental, social, governance, so things like supplier diversity or sustainability targets.
Precisely. You score suppliers on all of it. And look, the partnership approach, it just beats policing. Policing stifles the innovation you need from suppliers.
Makes sense.
So best-in-class companies, they use two-way scorecards.
Two-way. I like that. But how do we stop that just becoming, another bureaucratic exercise? True partnership needs shared risk, doesn't it? More than most are maybe comfortable with.
It absolutely does involve more trust, more shared understanding. That's why the quick win here, the practical step, is co-creating specific quarterly improvement goals with your key top-tier suppliers.
Make it measurable.
A joint venture, really, measuring delivered innovation, responsiveness, not just ticking boxes on cost compliance.
Got it. Okay, that shifts us nicely into our final pillar. Strategy three, control and inventory optimization. We need what the source is called friction where it counts.
Yeah, I like that phrase. Controls have to be risk-based. Your policy shouldn't be some dusty 50-page PDF.
Nobody reads those.
Right. It needs to be built into this system configuration. So, low-risk catalog buys, fast, touchless. But large deals, non-standard suppliers, bam, automatically trigger dipper checks.
And the digital link, back to the contract terms, is critical here. Digital contract management, CLM, it's got to be a control, not just a filing cabinet.
We're talking contract to transaction linkage. Basically, the system automatically flags or maybe even blocks a PO if the price doesn't match the stored contract rate.
Stops that out-of-contract spend before it happens.
Before the transaction even occurs. It's proactive control.
Okay, so beyond policy control, there's the physical side, inventory. The goal isn't just minimal stock, is it?
No, it's about the right service level at the lowest total cost. And the key quick step procurement can take here: overhaul your safety stocks.
Get rid of the old parameters.
Stop using outdated static numbers. Recalculate based on real lead time variability, actual data, and defined service targets. That shift alone often unlocks huge working capital.
Well, let's wrap this up. For you listening, the core takeaway from these 3 pillars seems clear. Excellence means operationalizing strategy. You've got to connect clean data, that's transparency, to segmented relationships, that's the partnership piece, and then drive decisions based on risk using TVO and smart embedded controls.
Right, which brings up, I think, an important final thought for you to mull over. If your procurement processes feel perfectly tuned and efficient today, where are you building in flexibility? Where's the resilience? Because that ability to pivot to handle the next unexpected market disruption, that's what will define tomorrow's competitive edge. Something to think about.